The Compton Banbury garage was once the Elite of Compton Buildings, maintenance-free specification, and notable for the very steep roof pitch. The current range of Lidget Compton garages mirrors this building, with their Apex 20 model, which stands out with its granular steel tile effect roofing. Each building poses a challenge to ascend, which only the most experienced installers should ever take on, heightened by the first generation of Banbury garage employing individual non-asbestos tiles nailed into place. We replace 2 of these roofs per week in a variety of colours and designs, and the most popular being, you've guessed it, tile effect. The stock PVC fascias and barge boards are retained along with the original roof structure. The fibre cement pantiles are taken along to our waste station to be properly disposed of. So, for a great job from a firm you can trust, there's only one place to go: ComptonSpares.com.